Hey kids, good morning. I am back with a new video. Children, it's English time again. Today we are going to learn two more new letters, and that is script letter S and script letter T. But before we start, I would like to ask you one question. Tell me which month of the year has least number of days? કયા મહિનામાં બહુ ઓછા દિવસ આવે? Correct. February. ફેબ્રુઆરીમાં સૌથી ઓછા ડેઝ હોય છે.
In your ABC Fun book, open page number 4141. Now let's read the related pictures of script letter S. S for scooter. Kids, તમે મમ્મા સાથે માર્કેટ જાઓ તો સ્કૂટરમાં બેસીને જાઓ ને? S for sleeper. S for ship. Children, ship is a water transport. It carries goods and passengers from one place to another place. S for socks. હમણાં વિન્ટર સિઝન છે તો તમે બધા તો સોક્સ પહેરતા જ હશો ને? ગુડ. S for squirrel. ચિલ્ડ્રન, તમે ટ્રીઝ પાસે અને ગાર્ડનમાં સ્ક્વિરલ જોઈ હશે ને? સ્ક્વિરલને નટ્સ બહુ જ ભાવે અને એક સ્ક્વિરલ બહુ ફાસ્ટ જમ્પ કરી શકે. Now let's revise one more time. S for scooter, S for sleeper, S for ship, S for socks, S for squirrel.
Now we will learn how to write script letter S on red and blue line. Let's see how to write script letter S between two blue lines. Okay? Start. First, we will make a C curve and then opposite C curve, script letter S. Again, C curve and then opposite C curve, script letter S.
Now let's see how to write script letter S in your red and blue line notebook. First we will make 5 ticks like this, okay? And we'll start from here. From blue line to blue line, okay? C curve and opposite C curve. Like this. C curve and opposite C curve. Children, you have to write in blue line to blue line only, okay? C curve and opposite C curve. C curve, opposite C curve, script letter S. C curve, opposite C curve, script letter S. So children, like this you have to finish all the lines. Now let's draw S for ship. First we will draw one sloping line like this, slanting line. Here also slanting line join with sloping line. Now leave some space, standing line. Here also standing line join with sleeping line. Now leave some space in the middle, draw one standing line, one more standing line and join with circle. Now let's draw curve like this. Asu check about smoke. Now here we'll draw circles. And now we'll draw water like this. Because આપણાને શિપ ક્યાં જોવા મળે? વોટરમાં, right?
Now come to the next page, 4 to 42. Children, here you have to draw S for ship. Ma'am has already taught you in the notebook, right? Now we will trace this line. Blue line to blue line, C curve, opposite C curve, script letter S. In the same way, you have to finish this line. Now here also, C curve, opposite C curve, script letter S. In the same way, you have to finish all the lines. Now we will do this exercise. Read with me. Color the starfish which has correct formation of letter S. Children, can you see this starfish? અને એની અંદર S લખેલા છે તે દેખાય છે? ઓકે, આપણે એમાં કલર કરવાનો છે જેમાં કરેક્ટ ફોર્મેશન છે. ઓકે, is this correct? Yes, so we will tick it. Is this correct? Yes. This is wrong, so we will not tick it. And this is correct. So, મેમે જેટલામાં ટિક માર્ક કર્યું છે એમાં તમારે કલર કરવાનો છે. Understood, children?
Now children, open page number 4343. Which letter is this? Yes, script letter T. Now let's learn some pictures related to the script letter T. T for television. Children, आप कार्टून किस में देखते हो? टीवी में, right? And T for tire. T for tent. Children, जब हम ट्रेकिंग के लिए घर से बाहर जाते हैं तो वहां पर घर नहीं होते हैं, तो हम इस तरह के टेंट बनाकर रहते हैं. इसे टेंट कहते हैं. T for tricycle. T for tie. आपके पापा टाई पहनते हैं ना? Yes. Now children, let's revise one more time. T for television. T for tire. T for tent. T for tricycle. And T for tie.
Now children, we will learn how to write script letter T on red and blue line. Okay, we will start from here. We will start from red line, first red line to second blue line standing line. Touch the second blue line. Then we will make a small curve, and here we will make a small sleeping line on first blue line, capital letter T. Again, first red line to second blue line standing line, touch the second blue line. Then we will make a small curve, and here we will make a small sleeping line on first blue line, script letter T. Now children, we will learn how to write script letter T in red and blue line notebook. First we will put 5 tick marks, okay, and we will start from here. First red line to second blue line standing line, and we will make a small curve, then small sleeping line on first blue line, script letter T. First red line to second blue line standing line, then make a small curve, and here we will draw a small sleeping line on first blue line, script letter T. Again, first red line to second blue line standing line, make a curve, and here small sleeping line on first blue line, script letter T. Again, first red line to second blue line standing line, make a curve, small sleeping line on first blue line. Again, first red line to second blue line standing line, make a curve, and here small sleeping line on first blue line, script letter T. Children, in the same way you have to complete all the lines. Now children, we will draw T for television. First, we will draw sleeping line, then 2 standing line and joined with sleeping line. Then we will draw 2 standing line and then circle, and here we will draw a cable, and then plug. T for television.
Now come on page number 4444, script letter T. Draw one related picture for T. Children, we have to draw here television, which we have learned already in our notebook. Trace and write. First, red line to second blue line, standing line, and make a curve. Then sleeping line on first blue line. Now we will write here red line to second blue line, standing line, and make a curve. Then sleeping line on first blue line, script letter T. Now children, you have to complete all the lines like this way. Tick the pictures that begin with the letter T. Children, there are so many pictures, but we have to tick the pictures that begin with the letter T. Now children, tell me, which picture is this? Yes, tortoise. And is this picture that begin with the letter T? Yes. So we will tick over here like this. Now next, which picture is this? Ladder. What for ladder? L for ladder. So we will not tick over here, right? Now next, which picture is this? Tricycle. Yes. And what for tricycle? Yes, T for tricycle. So what we have to do? Yes, we will tick over here like this. Now next, T for tent. So we will tick over here. Yes. Now next is M for man. We will not tick over here. Now next, pen. Yes, P for pen, right? Now which picture is this? Yes, tie. T for tie. So we will tick over here. Yes. Which picture is this? Flower. And is this picture starts with script letter T? No. Now next picture is queen. What for queen? Q for queen. Okay. So we will not tick over here.